from grade 10 in Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School, Sivahangai. Now let us see about combination reaction. Combination reaction is nothing but when two or more reactants react together to form a single product. For example, taken sugar, coffee powder, milk and hot water. Now I am going to add milk in a cup and I am going to add hot water, and next I am going to add coffee powder and sugar. I am going to mix it well. While adding this all reactants, I have got only a single product as coffee.
Hi friends, I am Ivaguru from grade 10 studying in Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School, Sivahangai. Now I am going to explain the types of chemical reaction with experiments. Chemical reaction involves the breaking and making the bonds between the atom to form new substance. Some types of chemical reactions are combination reaction, decomposition reaction and displacement reaction. Combination reaction. A reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is called combination reaction. Example: carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide, which is C plus O2 gives CO2. Now we are going to make a coffee for our experiment. Now we pour some milk in the empty tumbler. Which the hot milk. Then we add some hot water. Then we add 2 spoons of sugar. Then we add 1 spoon of coffee powder. After adding the coffee powder, we stir the coffee. Now we get our coffee. Here, the milk, sugar, hot water and coffee powder are reactants. The final product is coffee, which is a single product. So, these are more reactants, but a single product. This is a combination reaction. Decomposition reaction. The reaction in which single reactant break down to give simpler products is called decomposition reaction. For example, when we heat limestone, we get quicklime and carbon dioxide. In this, limestone is a single reactant, but when we heat, we get simpler products like quicklime and carbon dioxide. The heating of the incense stick is an best example of decomposition reaction. By using a matchbox and matchstick, we are going to heat the incense stick. Now we have fired the incense stick. After firing, we get smoke and ash as the products, but the single reactant is the incense stick. So this is a decomposition reaction. Displacement reaction. The best example of displacement reaction is when we put an iron nail in the copper sulfate solution, the iron will displace or replace the copper from the copper sulfate solution. This is the displacement reaction. After the displacement, the solution color changes from blue color to green color and the color of the iron nail becomes brown color because of the deposition. The chemical reaction is CuSO4 plus Fe gives FeSO4 plus Cu, which is copper sulfate solution plus iron gives ferrous sulfate and copper. The displacement reaction is AB plus C gives A plus BC. The C gas displaced AB from its solution. Now we learnt about the chemical reaction and the types of chemical reaction. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is R. Pradiprat, studying at Mahalitra J School, Sivankai. I am going to explain about combination reaction. One or two more reactions makes a new product. Is called combination reaction. Now we can see the example of making tea. Now we can take the milk, we can pour in the empty tumbler. Then we can take hot water, pour in the milk. Now we can take the sugar. Now we can take the coffee powder. Now we can mix the. Now we can.
I am Matheshwaran and I am studying grade 10 at Mount Litra Senior Secondary School at Chivaganga. Now I am going to tell about what is combination reaction. Combination reaction is a reaction where two or more elements or compounds combine to form a single compound. Such reactions are expressed by the equation x plus y gives xy. In other way, we can tell as the combination of two or more elements to form a one compound is called a combination reaction. Thank you.
Anya from grade 10. Combination reaction is a chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance under suitable conditions. Combination reactions are also known as synthesis because in these reactions two substances are synthesized.